You love. It's not for me to say. You love.
Hi nail fam, happy Sunday. I hope that you are well. So we're going to be doing some nails. I've already applied my nails and I used this protein bond as well as this press-on glue gel from Bellavina, also known as Double Dip. And I also went in with a layer of Madam Glam's peel-off base coat. So the colors that I'm going to be using for today is this white lace as well as this perfect white, and I have my base and top gel. As you can see from the thumbnail, we are going to be doing a rose milk bath. So I have these floral stickers here that I'm going to be using on my nails, and I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is for you to do a milk bath with just gel polish and some stickers. Also, I'm going to be adding in some gold flakes. So I have this set of flakes here. I think I got this from Amazon. And then I'm going to be adding a little bit of bling. So I have my little friend here. You guys remember my little gold bear friend. All right. So the first thing that I want to do, because I've already applied, I've already buffed and I've already dehydrated these nails. So now I'm going to go in with a thin layer of base gel over the entire nail. Once I have the base gel applied to the nail, then I will put my finger under my UV lamp for around 30 seconds. Now, if you look at my nails, you'll also notice that my nail bed is looking a bit white. What I did was I did apply some primer and some bonder, and then I also went in with some builder gel, a clear builder gel from Savon Lawn, and I also used that kind of milky white rubber base gel that we got from Madam Glam in my previous video. So that's what I have underneath my nail just to give them a little bit of strength, because you guys know I'm doing a lot of videos and I'd be popping off my nails. So I definitely don't want to damage them. Right, so I've already cured the base gel layer, and now I'm going in with a thin layer of white lace, which is a beautiful milky white, but there is a little bit of shimmer to this gel polish. It is such a stunning color. I've never seen such a beautiful milky white. So I'm just going a full coverage over this entire nail, and then I'm going to cure it under my UV lamp for 30 seconds. Here's how the nails look once it's been cured. So I'm going to take a little bit of isopropyl alcohol because this is very tacky, and I'm just going to remove that sticky layer because I'm going to be applying some stickers, and I learned this the hard way. Stickers will not stick to a sticky layer, so you definitely need to make sure that that sticky tackiness is removed, and then you'll see how easy it is to apply the stickers. So I have these little roses here, these pink roses. This was in a box that I received from Baby Girl Nails for an e-nail couture. I believe this is where this is from. So I'm going to take a few of these pink roses and I'm going to put them down onto the nail. Then I'm also going to go in with 1 or 2 of the rose petals, and that's going to be my bottom layer of this milk bath. Once I have the stickers on, then I'm going to go over the stickers with another layer of gel polish. I'm going to use a little bit of the perfect white, and I'm also going to use a little bit of the white lace just to make it look like the flowers are submerged in the milk bath. Alright, so we have all of our stickers on, and now I'm ready to apply some gel polish. I just wanted to make sure that I'm ready for the gel polish because I'm going to be sticking on some of these gold foils onto that wet gel polish. So I'm just kind of preparing ahead of time. So I have my little rhinestone, and then I have a little nail art brush just to be able to pick up those gold foil pieces. So I'm going to take white lace, the milky, shimmery kind of a white gel polish, and we're just going to go over parts of the little roses and like the red petal there, just to give it that milky look. And then we're going to take the perfect white and just do a little bit of the perfect white. This white is really pigmented, and so you just have to be careful that you don't actually cover up the entire stickers, as you will start to notice once I put this white onto the nail. All right, so as I was applying this perfect white, which is very pigmented, by the way, this is where I noticed that I'm really covering up these roses and these flowers, these florals, because this white is so pigmented. So in order to save this design from being completely submerged in milk, I decided to take some of that white lace and try to kind of, water it down to make it a little bit more translucent. And that did help just a little bit. So be mindful if you're using a really pigmented gel polish, try to go in with as little as possible first. So once I have this white lace all over the nail, and while it is still wet, I'm going to take my nail art brush here that I have on the table. Just going to spray that with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. And then I'm going to pick up a few of these gold foil pieces and just adhere them to different parts of this nail. Once I'm satisfied with where I put those foil pieces, then I will give this a cure under my UV lamp for a full 30 seconds. So now to finish off this nail design, I'm just going to go in with one more of these beautiful, gorgeous pink roses, and we're just going to sit that on top of this nail, and then we're going to put on some top coat. So basically for me, I feel like a milk bath definitely has some flowers floating onto the top, and also there's some submerged. So I just wanted to make sure that there was something on the top of floating onto this milk bath. But you are free to do it however you like. Now this here is where I forgot to take off that tacky layer because the sticker would not stick to the nail. So I definitely had to go in with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and kind of wipe that nail down. And then I sticked the floral sticker on there. All right, like I said, I'm going to finish this off with the Madam Glam top coat and give it its final cure for an additional 30 seconds. All right, so now we are going to move on to my index finger, and I'm going to go in with this beautiful pink shimmery color. This one is called Daydream, and there are speckles of gold in this. I thought this was a perfect accent and complement to the milk bath nails. I'm going to completely cover this nail with 2 layers of this gorgeous pink color. Then we are going to put like a splash of milk bath across the center of this nail. So for the splash of milk bath on this nail, we're going to do the exact same thing that we did on the thumb. We're going to go in with a layer of the white lace onto the nail. We're going to cure that for 30 seconds. Then we're going to go in with some stickers, and then we're going to add just a tiny little bit of that perfect white, and then finish this nail design off with some top coat. Alright, so as I go ahead and just apply these stickers and some more gold flakes onto this nail, I thought I'd just ask guys, because I've been putting a lot of videos out recently, and one of the main reasons I've been doing a lot of videos is because as I receive products, I want to definitely get them out. Like I don't want the videos to start to pile up on me, because sometimes I do get emails from other brands and they would reach out and they would want to send products, and I don't want it to become so stressful that I have so many packages to get out and I feel like, like it gets a little bit overwhelming. So I hope I'm not overwhelming you or boring you with too many videos coming out. Obviously you can watch them at your leisure when you are available. I do appreciate you guys. I just want to send a big thank you to everyone that comments so quickly and just are there being really supportive. I do appreciate it, and I know that I've done so many videos, so I hopefully you guys don't mind the consistent videos. But right now I feel like I am up to date with most of the packages that I have received. I do have a few more coming, but If you guys want me to like switch back to maybe 2 videos a week, just let me know down in the comment section what your thoughts are on videos. Like how often should nail content creators post so that they don't overwhelm their viewers. Okay, I really appreciate the feedback. All right, so back to the nails. I am just about finished on the index finger, and I did decide that I would finish off the other fingers off camera. So here's how all of those other fingers are doing, and I kind of basically did the exact same thing, which is apply that milky white lace, then apply some stickers and stuff like that. As you can see on the ring finger, I did go in with a full coverage of that Daydreams over the entire nail, and then I just put a little bit of the floral sticker to the top of the nail. So for the middle finger, I felt like I wanted to add my little teddy bear friends, my little bling there. So I'm going to take my Makartt rhinestone glue and just stick the bear on. I did go in with some florals that I got from Shein, some beautiful resin florals, and a few little rhinestones onto this nail just to make it a little bit extra, a little bit blingy. And here is how the nail turned out. So it's supposed to be a gorgeous rose milk bath and just adding a little bit of extraness to the nail. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you in the next one.